Hey everybody, welcome back to Shift. I'm Bryan, this is my bike room, and this is New Bike Day. This is my brand new orbea rallon, and you guys get to unbox it with me. I'm super stoked on this. I've been waiting for months and months for this puppy to come in. And, you know, to be quite honest, I don't even know exactly what color it is. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, that's pretty. One big problem. This tire's flat. So what we've got inside of here is an orbea rallon m20. The color is called blue-gray. That red pops. And is that Kashima? I'd like to let you guys know this bike would not have been a thing if it wasn't for Pedal the Peaks. These guys have been supporting us at Shift. They are incredible. Durango, Colorado. Go there, go to Pedal the Peaks, tell them we sent you, and you will be taken care of. One of the things with the build on this is, yes, it's a brand new bike. It came in the box and it's ready to be built. There's not a whole lot that needs done. Let's see what actually needs done. Right over here, there's a box, a smaller box. And what we want to do is we want to pull this out because we don't really know what's in there, but it's kind of big. It says orbea. I know that word, but I don't know all the rest of this gibberish. I guess I should have paid more attention in French class. Oh, cool. Look at that. Orbea unboxing. We have reflector majingies. This majingi. Link preload tool. Okay. Another reflector thingy. No one's going to use that. That there. What is this? It's a seat. It's a physic. And these are the packs that go just above your bottom bracket inside of the triangle of the frame. You can get a tube in there. You can fit your tools to fix your bike and stuff. I like it. Holy crap, how many reflectors? And you have this. And I don't know what that is. And we got this. You have the option on these dropper posts to get one of a few different ones. And I did not choose a length, I guess. So I'm kind of curious as to what length of drop this is. I think this is the bracket for this. I'm pretty sure. That's a whole lot of gibberish on the outside. Some really good stuff on the inside. The box got a little bit damaged in transit. Nothing actually punctured through, but it looks like something came across and ripped the outer portion. I'm gonna pull it apart and just hope it's not damaged. All right, here it goes. No regrets. I don't see any damage. I don't see any scrapes or scratches yet. This is exactly how it's pulled out of the box. Nicely packaged. Good job, orbea. I was skeptical on this color, but yeah, man, I kind of like it. 3. What's this? Could it be an 8? I need a cutter. Nope. Okay, I think first the tire on the back. It's flat anyway. I'm just gonna cut it off. Only a couple zip ties holding that on. Now I get to cut the frame off. to do is install the post and cable and then mount it up in the rack. Let's do that. Use FSA to prevent creaking. Now that we have her mounted, let's pull off this stuff to reveal that frame. Save this stuff. This is going to be nice if you ever do transport or ship, even if it's in the back of your car. Look at that color. That is so cool. Handlebars. The seat. Look! Really, the only thing we need to do now is adjust the seat post to where I want it, cut the cable and housing, set that up on the trigger, set it up tubeless. You don't really have to do that, but you can. Put your pedals on and go ride it. I am glad that I chose to build it myself. Something very satisfying about that. This is so cool. 2021 Orbea Rallon M20. The kit is the same as just the standard M20, except the rear shock and the fork. I opted for the factory fork and the Fox Factory X2 rear shock. We've got Shimano Dior brakes. These are their entry-level good. It's just under SLX. 4-piston. Front rotors are center lock. 203 diameter. The wheels, straight pull spokes. Kind of nice. Mounted on DT Swiss E1900 wheels, rims. Super stoked to try the Fox 38. This thing is sick. It's going to be awesome. Orbea brand grips, Orbea brand handlebar, Orbea stem, Across headset, some carbon spacers, SLX shifter for your SLX rear derailleur, Shimano dropper post lever, Orbea 170 dropper post, Physic seat. I kind of like that seat. I'm anxious to try it out. The fork is sick. Fox 38, high and low speed compression and rebound. Rear shock is the Fox X2 factory. We have high and low speed rebound and high and low speed compression. Race face chainring, race face crank, 12 speed Shimano SLX. I've tried Shimano other speeds and I haven't been a huge fan, but I've heard good things about this. We've got the E1900 rim laced up to some DT Swiss spokes, or DT Swiss straight pull hubs. Rotor again on the back is center lock. That could be a good or bad thing depending on who you are. Again, nice 4-pot piston, caliper I mean. 180 mil rotor in the back, 203 up front. Beautiful frame. I love the asymmetric design on that. So that's it. This is the bike. This is my baby now. Well, that one too. Still my baby. Orbea Rallon 2021 M20. I'm gonna love it. I already know I'm gonna love it. I love the last one, and the only difference is more travel. There's gonna be future videos. If you like this one, subscribe, like, comment. If you have a Rallon, what do you like about it? What do you dislike? What should I look out for? What should other people look out for? Let us know. We're going to catch you on the flippity flop in another episode of pure amazing shiftness.